How to fix Facebook post limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the limit, how often you can post or comment issue on Facebook. This is a quick and easy fix. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here in this section, simply tap on manage apps, and after that simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Facebook. And once you have searched for it, simply tap on the Facebook, and after that here in this page you can see the option labeled as clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on that, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on clear cache to remove temporary data. And after you have done that, your issue should be resolved and you should be able to post and comment again without any restriction. And that's it. That's how you can fix Facebook post limit with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.